From the humble corner of downtown San Francisco, Dolan Law has spent nearly 30 years standing up for everyday people. With a strong track record and a top-tier team, it's become the go-to place for those seeking a fair shot. Ensuring the smooth operation of this office is Daniel Tavares, Director of Operations.
So we have locations in San Francisco, LA, Redondo Beach, and Oakland, and I'm responsible for day-to-day operations, which includes monitoring machinery, buildings, and working with the legal teams to make sure that they have everything they need.
Managing an office across multiple cities is challenging enough, but meeting the high expectations of trial lawyers takes it to a whole new level.
Investing in security is important for us because we want to make sure our clients are taken care of and feel secure, as well as our staff. Before Verkada, it was a little bit challenging with the old system. I couldn't really see everything at one time. To make decisions in the moment, it was difficult. My experience now with Verkada is just awesome. I love the app. I can easily look at everything on my phone if I need to. And just love how it functions. It connects everything. It connects the cameras, it connects the access controls, so I can see everything in one location.
People think ease of use is a trivial matter. But to Daniel, what seems minor can be the difference between a productive day and a costly mistake.
We are working on Market Street, and there's a lot going on. With the older alarm systems, I would normally get a call on my phone, and they would tell me there's been an activation in one of the floors. Then I would have to look at the cameras, and then I would have to pull that app. If I need to go back in history, then I need to call IT, and they need to pull that footage for me. Yeah, with Verkada alarms, it was an easy transfer. We could keep some of the legacy equipment that we had. Basically, all they had to do was put new panels. The wiring was in place. So then for cost, that made sense for us. We don't have to replace everything and put it back in.
With Verkada alarms, agents verify footage before calling Daniel, who now has all the information he needs to respond confidently and enjoy a good night's sleep.
I can solve administrative issues remotely. With my phone, I can change an alarm code easily. With access controls and cameras, our operations were streamlined. With the Verkada alarms, things are much better. Now everything's on the same dashboard, and it makes our job a lot easier.
With the office running smoothly 24/7, Daniel is another happy Verkada customer.
And I don't even need to put any disclaimers on that.